Kurumjari, a very good afternoon. You are watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari. First, the headlines. Kaishamthong MLA Sapam Nisikant appeals people to practice forgive and forget and to support newly restored state government in taking the state towards progress and development. And Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee takes out protest condemning the arrest of Indian Youth Congress members for shirtless demonstration during AI Summit in Delhi. And now the top stories. Kaishamthong MLA Sapam Nisikant has appealed for practice of forgive and forget and to support the newly restored government in ensuring progress and development of Manipur. MLA Nisikant was speaking during the reception program for Angom Sanamatum, who played the role of Raju Agarwal in BAFTA-winning movie Boom, and for Hamom Sadananda, who played the role of missing father Joy Kumar in the movie. In the program, which was held at his residence in Kaishamthong, MLA Sapam Nisikant expressed pride on the achievement of Boom movie in BAFTA and congratulated director Lakshmi Priya Devi, cast and crew of the movie. Speaking further, MLA Nisikant expressed confidence on Yumnam Khemchand late state government in taking the state towards progress and stability.
Movies in inspiration, ama koylaga. Uso ekadami probably for filmmakers, but apoy ki samaj ki koyla. Manipur se nushi chanaba, English tahayega humanity, Hindi tahayega insaniyat, aduga metro tahayega menushiyapna, aduga apoy na believe ko se there is unity in diversity. Adugi wathanda Manipur se kai daba amata koyba nushi chanana apoy okina wasarkar suna hai, aduga apoy we move forward for peace and harmony. Okay, ano wasarkar mana hai, ano ba apoy chief minister ko miliwa, apoy Shri Yumnam Khemchand ji ma lagire, aduga war footing ka thakot se suma aure.
Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee MPYCC members have protested against the arrest of Indian Youth Congress IYC members for holding a shirtless protest at the India AI Impact Summit recently. Large numbers of MPYCC members gathered inside Congress Bhavan BT Road, Imphal around this noon and started marching towards the BT Road. However, police stopped them from proceeding further as soon as they move out of the Congress Bhavan gate and tried to burn the effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, resulting in the scuffles between the two sides. Speaking on the sidelines, MPYCC President Wahingbam Anand criticized the BJP government and police for arresting the IYC members who held shirtless protests at India AI Impact Summit, emphasizing that the protest marked the disgrace against the conduct of misrepresenting China's robot as India's product in the India AI Summit. He said that it has put every Indian to shame in front of the whole world, accusing members of BJP, Manipur Pradesh, Mahila Morcha and BJYM of silence amid years of Manipur's public suffering for the past many years. Anand lambasted that they were boldly holding counter protests when the IYC reacted against the alleged misconduct in India AI Impact Summit. He further questioned whether the BJP, Mahila Morcha and BJYM members are taking the AI Summit more worthy than the hardships endured by the people in the state.
Youth Congress ng asi bawdo lauri ba se Youth Congress ki subida gi nate going asi lauri ba sidi thabuk phangdraba na singi amadi lai raba longmi sinmi ima ibel singi da bakta lauduna da khone ko ipolo handak ta pangok ba AI Summit New Delhi da pangok ba adugum laba summit aduda Bharat India di pumloi loina madi karimta khakna yo thokre artificial intelligence ki sector da karimta ngamjada ba karimta haijada ba karimta laijada ba gum yote thangte utu patu khara pudho kan de AI Summit ai da Bharat ki yam graba madi tongan tongan ba world ki country kya ma invite tawri ba se masi India si yon thoi bani India se Narendra Modi na amadi BJP layak da BJP ki sason me ka da lai ba India se tat ki advertise ki sasoni asigumba advertise ki sason da sida bharat ki izzat mangwa tare amadi ai na koi da piba khudong chaba sing asina koi ki traditional oi ba employment kya ma mangwa tare ajuna youth congress na yamna democratic oi ba mong da sangsin ba khongsta adubu yamna tamtheiba mong da atopa laiba Myanmar da Bangladesh ta toba protest tong na nokna viva BJP na adugum laba Narendra Modi na heartless protest kai da akoi da phi thong da bi wangang di base masi BJP ki oina madi bharat miyam ki oina adugi matik laibak thibai kai ningai ni
40th National Science Day 2026 was observed today at Eastern Idol High School with the theme Women in Science, Catalyzing Viksit Bharat. The event, jointly organized by Science Teachers Forum Manipur and Eastern Idol High School Akampat, was graced by the school's headmistress T. Suchitra, the former president N.G. Keso, vice president C.H. Mobi and Nabukumar Singh Yumnam as the presiding members. Speaking in this regard, the forum's General Secretary Khetrimayum Sanahal highlighted the significance of National Science Day, noting that it has been celebrated across India since February 28, 1987 to commemorate Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman's remarkable contributions to science and his 1930 Nobel Prize in Physics. He stated that the event aims to raise awareness about science among students and enhance their knowledge. Sanahal also expressed confidence that involving women in science can accelerate the realization of Viksit Bharat.
Angangsingda akoi scientific tempers masi impart tawba adaga aikoina India government tawre poshina aikoi raman puthokba numitu mapalakpagi wani adaga numisida tawgadori city science scientists technology sing ayamsina lowriba koigi leibag ama develop torko matamda madura tawriba aduga maruina angangsingda pirisina moida scientific temper ma piba aduga gadigumba punshida thengnariba thodo wathok khudimaks scientific method haitare isamjamba niko hasigi mathang manau naina kamai tung tawgadagi haiba adugi potma piba aduga sagi raman infraction hojigi modern kaitaka kaino sida lakwa matamda magi contribution se mana piri baramani pe every kaino da substance khudimaki masigi magun nei narko matamda masi yamna maru yam tawba ana hojiti raman spectroscopy si maman tangaba leire ada madugi mapa sala akanda sagi tawrisini aduga handak maksu thamiba theme si women in science ada catalyzing Viksit Bharat.
CPI Manipur State Council has expressed joy over the acquittal of Delhi's former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, AAP leader Manish Sisodia and 21 others in the Delhi liquor policy case. In the press release, CPI Imphal West District Secretary alleged that the BJP and some central government legislators had made false accusation against Kejriwal and others, taking undue advantage of their power to put them behind bars. The CPI maintained that India is a democratic country that abides by the law and the court's decision has discharged all of them, including Arvind Kejriwal. The party expressed hope that the court's decision will go a long way in saving democracy in the country and boost the strength of those who actively work for democracy. In other news, a national program for control of blindness and visual impairment in association with Tamenglong District Social Welfare Office, District Administration, District Health Society jointly conducted a 3-day-long special cataract surgery drive in Tamenglong District. The drive was led by District Nodal Officer of NPCV, Dr. R. Rangla, and through assistance from Dr. Anthony Kamson, Dr. Jennifer Nane, and expert team from GENIMS. During the drive, 41 individuals took tests, and out of which 31 were diagnosed for cataract and another 8 were found with other visual impairment issues. Now, before we move on to other news, let's take a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. Proscribed Konglekpa Communist Party PWG-MC Unification has issued warning against 3 individuals and has urged the people to stop engaging with these individuals. In the press note issued by PRO of KCP PWG-MC Unification, Jinkei Nganba, the party has issued warning against Thokchom Sankar of Singjamei Thongam Lekai, who has a contract work at stone crushing in Awang Potsangbam. KCP PWG-MC Unification has urged workers to abstain from working at the stone crushing unit, while also imposing ban on further operation. On the other hand, the party has also imposed ban on oil pump at Singjamei Mayai Lekai, which is owned by Sharungbam Premananda, while also warning the people not to fill oil from the fuel station. It has also urged the ICI Bank located near the oil pump to shift elsewhere. On the other hand, Konglekpa Communist Party PWG-MC Unification has also issued warning against one Krishnam Susil Kumar of Malom Bazar. Proscribed Pripak has issued a clarification stating that Nahakpam Shivananda, alias Amuthoy of Phaudel Moirangpali, and Devya Mongjum of Kwakaithel Nganapithong Mapal, who were arrested by the security forces on February 25th, have no connection with Pripak and are not linked with the party. In the press note issued by Department of Publicity and Propaganda, Publicity Officer Mangal Kuman has referred to the claim of Manipur police that they are the members of Pripak. It further clarified that these 2 individuals have no connection with neither Pripak nor its armed wing Red Army, calling the claim of Manipur police as baseless and false. One-day discussion on the topic New Criminal Laws and Crime Scenes Preservation was held at Thoubal District's Kiam Babu Kaithil today. The program was organized by Thoubal Police Station and was attended by Additional SP LO of Thoubal District Police, Devya Tanwar, SDPO of Thoubal Police Station O Ajit, Officer in Charge S. Ibomcha, Caretaker, Councillor of Thoubal Municipal Council Ward number 12, 15 and 16. Experts from Forensic Science Laboratory attended the program as resource persons and carried out demonstration on do's and don'ts at crime scenes. Poet delegates from Tripura, Guwahati, Kolkata and Manipur held a poetry recitation event at Loktak Lake on the second day of the Gyanratna Sahitya Academy GSA National Conference today. Speaking in its regard, GSA Manipur State President Fanjobam Lenajit that the poetry recitation was held as a mark of respecting the Manipur's rich cultural heritage. He further highlighted plans to organize more national-level events of GSA in the state. And now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center, Lumphalpad State's maximum temperature was recorded at 25 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 9.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 93% in the morning and 35% in the evening today. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Shanthong MLA Sapam Nisikant appeals people to practice forgive and forget and to support newly restored state government in taking the state towards progress and development. And the Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee takes out protest condemning the arrests of Indian Youth Congress members for shirtless demonstration during AI Summit in Delhi. Well, that's all we have in this afternoon bulletin. And thanks for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Till then, have a great evening.